Hi guys, it's Vaughn here with Vaughn's Kitchen, and thank you so much for joining me. I'm a mother of 6, yes, 6 children. Well, actually the 6th one is on his way now. And I work full time, I go to school, and I'm a mom and a wife. And so I'm always in the kitchen cooking up some great meals. I never sacrifice taste or health for lack of time. And I know a lot of moms like me out there are moms, they're working, they're cooking for their family, making sure it's healthy and enjoyable meals. And so I decided to create a channel all about some of the fantastic meals that I make for my family every day while still, working full time and maintaining everything else. So thank you again for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoy my recipes. I would love to hear from you guys and love to hear about all of your recipes as well. So let's get started.